My name's Charlie, and I'm a grade 9 student in the Maths program at Danforth Tech. In today's video, we are going to be discussing how precipitation works and the science that goes into it.
For this experiment, you'll need water, a drinking glass, shaving cream, and as many colors of food coloring as you'd like. The first step in our experiment is to fill the drinking glass about 2/3 full with water. Then, we're going to fill the rest of the glass with shaving cream. Your layer should be about 1.5 inches thick or so. The shaving cream represents the clouds in the sky, and the water represents the air below it. Next, we're going to drop food coloring onto the shaving cream. This food coloring represents water vapor, which pools together and sinks into the cloud until it breaks through and we have precipitation, or, as it's more commonly known, rain. As you can see, the food coloring sinks to the bottom of the glass, just as rain falls to the ground. This process is something that is present all of the time in our lives, and yet many don't even think about it. If you look up at the sky right now and see a cloud, the very process you demonstrated with your food coloring and shaving cream is happening up there, just on a much larger scale.
Try this experiment at home and tag Pueblo Science with your results. If you liked this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok accounts for lots more fun science content. Well, I hope you enjoyed the experiment, and feel free to leave a comment down below about what you'd like us to cover next time. Bye!